it's pleasing to know that we've reached 50 years of independence, but the struggle doesn't end today. I mean, this year it continues. I mean, Jamaica has brought so much to the world. I mean, we're still giving so much to the world. We got the Olympics happening this year in East London, and the most important person that's going to be at the Olympics is not a cyclist, it ain't a long distance runner, it ain't a shot putter, it's Usain Bolt. So that again is, I mean, how poignant it's going to be if he wins the 100 meter a day after Jamaica celebrates its independence. That's really big. So yeah, that's how I'm going to celebrate. I suppose I'm going to celebrate it with Usain Bolt. 100 meter gold, it's going to Usain. I would play, forgive me for not playing the original, but I played Freddie McGregor, I Was Born a Winner. That's the track.
Rum, lots of music, and just good vibes. Just good vibes. You know what, the truth of the matter is I'll probably be in the studio somewhere.
As I always do, as much as possible, as an academic and a lover of the music, going to as many dances and sound system events as possible. So that's something that's kind of almost a permanent fixture in my life. So I guess in the vein that I've always celebrated the music, to keep going to dances and to continue.
Well, my family from Guyana, so I don't have any Jamaican roots at all, apart from my London friends and my parents' families.
So you wish Jamaica a happy 50th?
I do wish Jamaica a happy 50th, and I hope it really goes well for Jamaica. Jamaica has got so much potential, and I know things can kind of go wrong sometimes when a country becomes totally independent, like it happened in Guyana. They went down, but I think Jamaica has got a lot more potential, and I can't be more happy with them. I mean, the Jamaicans were the original rebels anyway. They're going to go and do things on their own. So big up Jamaica.